Hi guys, my name is Ryan. In this quick video, we're going to be covering what is Google Ads and how does it work. This is going to be an overview video for beginners, just covering the basics of what it looks like to advertise on Google Ads platform and how it can help your business get in front of new customers on a monthly basis. Without further ado, let's dive into the content. There are a few different platforms that Google Ads allows you to advertise on, and we're going to quickly cover those first. The first one would be search campaigns. So a search campaign is going to display your text ad on the search results page. These are ones that you're probably most used to seeing. Display ads are image ads that are going to be displayed all around the web on various websites that are associated with the Google Display Network. Shopping ads are going to link to your product feed if you're an online retailer and allow you to sell your products directly using Google Shopping. Video is going to be displayed on YouTube, so YouTube videos, whether it's before the video itself, on the side, etc. And then universal app ads, which are going to allow you to advertise within apps themselves, so mobile apps. But for the most part, if you are a local service business, the most effective and easiest platform to use, or channel you could call it, is search. So that's what we're going to be talking about here. So search advertising starts with an inquiry from a user, and this person has a problem or need that they need solved. So they go to Google to solve that problem, and maybe that's a service provider. Let's just say for this example, they have a broken tooth, need dentist near me. This is what they type in to find a dentist in their area. And at the top of the page results here, you're going to see an ad indicated by the green icon that says ad. You can also sometimes see ads in the map area as well. That's a fairly new feature of the past 2 years, as well as at the bottom of the page and on other pages of Google search results. Assuming that your ad speaks to what that person needs, they'll likely click that ad, and I won't actually click this so it doesn't charge them, and you'll pay for that click, and the user will be redirected to your website or wherever you direct them to. And from that website, they'll take whatever action you desire. So they could call your phone, or they could submit a form, a contact form. And once they do this, all this information can be tracked and then routed right back into Google AdWords dashboard. And in which case, you'll be able to measure exactly how much it costs you to acquire those clicks, how many of those clicks turned into leads for your business, and then ultimately how much it costs to get a lead for your business. This entire process can be displayed in a diagram as you can see here. So once again, just to summarize, a search is made in Google and then an ad is triggered, and then that person clicks that ad, you pay for that click, and they're directed to your website. And all of these metrics are then aggregated into the Google Ads dashboard so that you can track everything that's happening down to the penny. But of course, we want to determine when your ads actually show to users, because we don't want to just show your ads to everybody. And Google AdWords is going to determine this through targeting options. And these targeting options would happen in between the time someone actually makes a search and when your ad appears. And that's going to indicate to Google when to show your ads. And now targeting, there's a few different options that you can choose here. And let's just quickly go over a few of those here. I'm going to list these out on the right side here. So those different targeting options allow you to only show your ads to people depending on where they're located, what time and day, the keywords that exist in the search that they made, as well as what you're willing to bid in the quality score of your ads. Quality score is just a health score of how well they're performing relative to other ads. But for the most case, you can ensure that your ads are only being shown to people in your target location. If you're a local business, this is very important to make sure that they're close by to your office or your services, the time and day that you actually perform services and are on the job. Specific keywords, so you don't even have to target an entire industry. You could target simply a certain service in particular, or all the keywords that are relevant to your service. And further, you can make sure that they have some sort of intent within those keywords. So hot water heater alone may explain someone looking to just do some research, whereas if you make sure that repairs in that keyword itself, then you can make sure that they're actually looking to hire. And then your max bid and your quality score is going to ensure that your ads get seen only when you're going to pay $2 or $3 or $5 or whatever you give Google as a max CPC. As you can see, Google Ads are an extremely effective solution for most local businesses, and there's three main reasons why I like Google Ads a lot. Virtually instantaneous results. So I've thrown up campaigns and within hours had leads coming into my clients' businesses. The leads also are high quality relative to a lot of social platforms, because what you're doing is just putting ads in front of people that are literally telling you what they need. And then they're extremely trackable. So down to the penny, you know exactly what's going in and how much you're getting out of it. Now let's just quickly go over some of the results that I've seen with some of these campaigns, just so you get a general sense of what to look for and to expect. This first one is a fencing contractor, so they do commercial and residential, and they got 67 conversions, so that was phone calls and form submissions for estimates for $43 each. Next one is going to be another blue collar job, so landscaping campaigns. So we did snow removal landscapes and hardscapes here. One of my favorite campaigns is hardscapes, just because the revenue and turnaround for that is very short and the revenue is very high, and we're producing leads for under $60, and these mostly we're turning into estimates for this business. This business in particular last year produced over $250,000 of extra revenue for them in business just from PPC alone. The next one is a massage certification program, so a school, and we were getting leads for them for $27 each, and including my management fee and ad spend and everything, we were getting scheduled tours for this school for $250 each, and they're converting each one of these at 50%, so they're getting students for $500 each, and their program costs $7,200 in tuition. Next one is going to be a foot doctor or a podiatrist, so a white collar job, so medical sector, and we're producing leads very fast here, a lot of them, high volume. They're right outside of Manhattan, so there's a lot of traffic here, and their leads are only costing around $30 each, and the lifetime value of their patients is quite high, so their ROI is really high for this campaign, and their ROI positive. And once again, I just want to reiterate that there's a huge variety of local businesses that can benefit from Google Ads. As you can see there, we had a mixture of blue collar, white collar, and then schooling, so education. And I've ran a variety of multiple other different industries, and pretty much all of them can benefit in some way from Google Ads. If someone is searching on Google for a service, your service, then you might as well throw up an ad and see how it performs. Now that's it for this quick overview video of what Google Ads is and how it works. If you want more information on how Google Ads works and how to run your own campaigns, check out the rest of my channel, and also look in the links below this video in the comments section as well, and I'll have links to other related videos and resources that will help you to produce more leads using Google Ads. And until next time, guys, if you like this content, click like, comment in the section below if you have any questions that I didn't cover, and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want more content around local marketing involved with SEO and Google Ads. Cheers.